So here's how to add your business to Google Maps. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser, and then here you have to simply open your Google Maps road view. After that, here you have to click on these three horizontal lines from the top left corner. Once you click on it, now it will open this menu. From here you have to simply click on the add your business option. After that, here at this page you have to simply enter your business name and then hit on the continue. Once you hit on the continue, now at this page you have to simply enter your business type. Once you have selected your business type option, then again you have to hit on the next. Now at this page you have to simply tell your business category, and then again you have to hit on the next. Once you hit on the next, now it will take you to this page where you have to tell where do you serve your customers. Basically you have to tell your location here, then you have to enter or hit on the next. After that, it will take you to this page where you have to enter your phone number, or you can also enter your website URL, and then you have to click on the next. Now at this page you have to simply check this box and then click on the continue. Once you check this box and click on the continue, now your business have been successfully added to Google Maps. So that's how to add your business to Google Maps.